Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to use less data for call while using Telegram app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, click on Telegram app icon. Press on three lines which shown on top left. Click on settings. Scroll down till we get data and storage. Scroll down till we get less data for calls. Here you can find several options. First option means that you will not use less data while making a call in any case. Second option means that you will only use less data while roaming. Third option means that you will only use less data while using mobile data. Fourth option means that you will always use less data while making a call in any case. Let's try to use only while roaming. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can subscribe our channel. Also consider like, share, and if you have any comments, please write to us and we will do our best to respond all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.